Today, I am here to give a short talk on Intelligent Speed Adaptation. My name is Sujal S. Patil, course CF15, section M3, Training Center, Dharwad. Introduction. Excessive or inappropriate speed is a significant factor in serious road accidents. Road safety authorities around the world devote a considerable resource for addressing a speeding problem, particularly with the speed limits. So, to overcome the increasing attention to the vehicle technology and assist the drivers to keep the vehicles in the limits, we can use the intelligent speed adaptation method. In this, there is a generic term of class of ITS in the which the driver is warned or the vehicle speed is automatically limited when the driver is intentionally or advertently traveling over the posted speed limit according to the given location. This is done with the help of a GPS satellite tracker. Specifically, ISA system compares the current speed and the position of the vehicle and the local posted speed limit and respond to the vehicle exceeds in this posted limit. The GPS is being adopted most widely in ISA trials around the world as it utilizes the Global Positioning System GPS technology. With this approach, the information regarding the road network and data about the posted speed limits within it are stored with the help of a digital map and a database within the vehicle. The GPS receiver is fitted on the vehicle, which locates the vehicle position, and a onboard computer continuously analyzes the location of the vehicle and also compares the speed with the posted speed limit and the location of the vehicle with the help of a satellite. There is an onboard log position on the main ECU of the car. There is a sign recognition sensor which recognizes the speed postage limit, and if the car is crossing the speed or above the limit, it warns the driver and slows down the vehicle automatically. Advantages. Speed of the vehicle can be controlled and which leads to reducing in the crashing risk of the vehicle due to a speed issues. Fuel consumption is reduced to some extent. It can guide us in different road conditions. It can also show vehicles traveling around us in the adverse environmental conditions. Overtaking operation can be performed safely within the speed limits. Thank you.